Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Unit 8 Learning Target. I can multiply polynomials, including binomials. So the very first thing we're going to talk about is FOIL. Hopefully some of you have seen or heard this before, but this is one strategy that you can use when you have a binomial and a binomial being multiplied. So first you have, we use the acronym FOIL, which stands for first, outside, so that's an S, inside, and last. First, outside, inside, last. And then we are going to combine like terms, like we saw in class. All right, so as we look at this problem, we are going to do the first times the first. First times first. So I'm going to write that down. I'm just going to write x times 2x. Okay, first, now the outsides, x times -7. So you can see that they're on the outside of the parentheses. So plus x times -7 plus the inside terms. All right, 5 and 2x plus 5 times 2x plus the last terms, 5 times -7. All right, so if we multiply all of those together, we've got 2x squared. Okay, -7 times -7 times x is minus 7x. 5 times 2x is plus 10x. And 5 times -7 is minus 35. Okay, so we did first, outside, inside, last. I know in class we saw several examples, and many of you were very quick to tell me we're not done yet because we have some like terms we can combine. So our final answer is 2x squared. All right, -7x plus 10x is plus 3 plus 3x minus 35. There's our final answer. Okay, let's look at one other example of that. So first times first, outside, inside, and last. So I'm going to write down what we multiply, and then I want you to simplify that. So x times x plus outside, x times -4 plus inside, -9 times x plus -9 times -4. Okay, you simplify and combine like terms. Bring any questions you have, and let's look at a different strategy you could take. So that's first, outside, inside, last, FOIL. Your option 2 is to create an array to fit your polynomials. So as we look at this problem, like the very first one, you'll notice it's a 2 by 2, so a binomial and a binomial, 2 by 2. So when we create our array, we would want our array to match that, 2 by 2. So I'm going to write the first one right here, x and -4. And the other thing, the other binomial we have is 3x and 2. So I'm going to multiply 3x times x, 3x squared, 2 times x is 2x, 3x times -4 is -12x, and 2 times -4, -8. Okay, so let's rewrite this. We have 3x squared plus 2x minus 12x minus 8. And once again, we have some like terms to combine. So my final answer, 3x squared minus 10x minus 8. Okay, one more example of this. So in this case, I can see I have a 2 by 3 polynomial. So binomial times a trinomial. So again, I'm going to have 2 going this way. So I've got x and 2. And then going across the top, I have x squared negative 2x and 1. Okay, I gave myself a lot of room to do that. So I'm going to multiply. Okay, x times x squared is x to the third. X times negative 2x is negative 2x squared. X times 1 is just x. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times negative 2x is negative 4x. And 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so once again, I'm going to write these out. For these ones, you should put them in standard form. So we'll start with the biggest exponent, x to the third. Okay, now I'll take my biggest next two exponents. So next up, I can see, sorry about that, I can see I have 2 x squareds right there. So I'm going to write those down. So I've got minus 2x squared plus 2x squareds. Okay, next I have x's. So I'm going to write plus x minus 4x. And last up, plus 2. Okay, now, obviously, when we multiply this many polynomials, or binomial by trinomial, we have more like terms to combine. So we've got this x to the third, negative 2x plus 2x. Well, that's 0. So those actually cancel out each other. Then we have x, that's a 1x, and negative 4x, that would give me minus 3x plus 2. Okay. Hey, take a moment to see any questions that you have or anything that didn't make sense in this. Bring that to class. Thank you so much.